outside of this Parks place, and here's the air conditioning. It is a Goodman, and there's two people behind me and a truck staring at me. This is a Goodman 13 SEER 8.5 HSPF, so this is a heat pump. Goodman, nothing special. I mean, this thing's huge. It's at least a 5-tonner. This has all. This is it's got R22. It was made March of 08. It is model number GSH130601AB. I knew this was a 5-ton. Serial 080320. Blah. Start over. Serial number 0803220315. Rev out of that truck. Oh, that's hot and that's nice and sweaty. There's a condensate line. Foreign condensate. No, see, I think this place has dual zone. Yeah, this place has dual zone. I'd imagine this place would have dual zone. Let's walk around back and find out. No, this place don't have dual zone. Does it? Damn it, I thought it had dual zone. Anyways,